According to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, over 4 in 10 American adults have obesity, and the prevalence of obesity is increasing at an alarming rate. As obesity levels increase, so do other adverse conditions, including heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, fatty liver disease, chronic inflammation, and certain types of cancer. At the Oregon Institute of Occupational Health Sciences, researchers have identified a novel mechanism through which both dietary and genetically induced weight gain can be largely prevented by increasing the DNA repair capacity within mitochondria. Researchers at the Institute are working hard to transform these laboratory findings into novel, drug-like molecules that could enhance the body's natural catalytic activity and increase repair activity within mitochondrial DNA.